Hi, so I just bought this vacuum cleaner. It's a brand new, I think it's a German company called Miele. Can't remember how much it was. It's pretty expensive, something like 600 or something. And I was thinking that this was going to be an amazing vacuum cleaner, and then, but as soon as I started using it, I noticed one really annoying thing. I often wonder what the hell the engineer was thinking when he designed this. But here's the head of the vacuum cleaner. And as you can see this? There's a brush, strip of brush, the front of this head. And then there's also the back. Now the back one makes sense, because what happens when you vacuum is that the things, litter, dust, all kinds of things, go in and then get sucked. But then some of them doesn't get sucked in and they get caught by this brush. But when you pull it back, it gets a second chance to get sucked in. So this makes sense, and I think most vacuum cleaners have this. But this makes no sense, because when you go over the floor, this thing is going to trap, it's like a broom, it's going to prevent anything from actually going under this area, right? And then when you pull it back, it's just going to leave a line of dust like it's a line of Coke. So I'll show you how this works. Okay, here I have on the floor cat litter. I'm going to try to vacuum this thing, and you'll see, just watch like how many times I have to go back and forth to vacuum this whole thing up. Okay, now I'm going to, what I'm going to try to do, I think, which is what this thing should have been designed from the beginning, is to get rid of this, but we still need something to lift this thing off the floor so that the things can get underneath it. So what I'm going to try to do is leave maybe just this much, on both sides, and then just get rid of all this in between so that, like things can go underneath it there. So and see how much better it's going to work. Okay, back. I trimmed off all the front brush. See, now you see this part and just this part sticking out, so that this whole area is open to collect whatever comes underneath. Okay? So let's try it out. there you have it. It's just 3 strokes, essentially, going back and forth, 3 times. It's all gone.